long ago, long ago, long, 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 long ago, there weren't any people, there weren't any animals, but there were dinosaurs. That's true.
It is. I didn't know where the song was gonna go there, so I just did the drum roll.
Uh-oh.
What, your birds?
No, not the birds. I'm singing another way song.
What song?
It's really catchy. It's a children's entertainment band.
Wiggles!
Toot toot, shaggy shaggy, big red car.
Travel near and we'll travel far. Choot choot, chugga chug, big red car. We're gonna ride the whole day long.
Mary's in the backseat, playing his guitar.
Mary's in the backseat of his big red car.
Toot
Toot, chugga chugga, big red car.
Can you point your fingers and do the twist? Can you point your fingers to the twist? Oh, now we're gonna go up. You gotta go down.
Get back up
And
and
turn around.
can you
Can you
point?
point your fingers do the twist? I'm getting hungry. I think it's time for a hot potato.
Yeah.
Hot potato.
Hot potato.
Potato. Potato. Potato, potato, potato.
Mashed banana, mashed banana. Mashed banana, mashed banana. Mashed banana, mashed banana.
Say the dance, do the
Is
dance.
it recording? Oh. If you say the dance, I can do the dance.
I'm a little teapot, short and smart. Here is my hand, oh, here is my spot. When I get all steamed up, then I shout. Ah! Tip me over, pour me out.
Beautiful.
Ah, can you do this? Can you rub your tummy and pat your head at the same time?
Yeah.
It's really tricky. Can you do this? Can you do...
Oh. Throwing doubles. Like little crabs.
It's really tricky. And then, if you are smart enough, I do it. Okay. I got it. How's it going?
It's going okay. I think maybe 5 more minutes.
1, 2,
Minutes, not
Three.
seconds, girl.
5, done.
We don't raw pasta.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Cause it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?
This little one on my right.
Yay!
5 little pigs.
Go.
No. I don't know how it goes.
5 little pigs. 3 little pigs.
3 little pigs, this was 5. When went to the market,
Ah,
the other
What's
one
the-
said it right.
what's the song where they build hay and
3 little
sticks?
pigs.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got mixed up.
That's not a song, that's a story.
Right. I was thinking for a second, how does that tune go? Makes sense.
This little piggy went to market. This little piggy
stayed
sat at
there.
home. This little piggy had roast beef, and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee 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 all the way home.
Bye bye.
Almost done. Almost done. I did say that. La di da.
So we drain out the pasta and then
Yeah.
do we do that or
Yeah. Guess what we've got to get?
Oh.
Mayo.
Oh no. What are you gonna do?
I got cream.
Oh yeah. Oh, that worked well.
Yep. Yeah. That will do.
Yep, this will work fine.
What happened to teriyaki?
Teriyaki. What?
Maybe not. I thought that was a good idea. Silly, I forgot the sauce. I could have got cream instead.
That should be done. Oh.
I'm gonna. My dad's got some mayo.
What cream will do? Cream will be fun.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Done?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to place this.
Can we drain it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Bye pasta.
So going in, I open the salmon. Put the pasta in.
Stir so it doesn't get bad. And take it off the heat.
So pepper grenade.
Don't know if it's good. Yeah. Come on. There you go.
Yep.
Beautiful.
And cream. Good taste.
Yep.
Salt.
There you go. Look at how much cheese you want.
That will do.
And we just gotta wait for the cheese to melt.
Okay, make it more creamy, yeah. Make it put more cheese in there.
You're lucky it's lactose cheese. Yep.
Yep.
More.
Yeah. Tell me 3 cheeks. This is what I do. I watch the thing.
Alright, I think we're done, Rach. Look at that. Nice and creamy. Yep.
Off. And now we put it in containers.
Yes.
Guess what, guys?
How many do you reckon? 3?
Oh, we'll see how I go with 1.
Yep.
You know what? Yeah, go on. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, that's all I'm looking for. Thank you.
Goes in there.
Put in Rachel's containers.
Ooh. Okay, that's enough in that one. Next one.
Next one.
Yep.
And then maybe a little container. One of those ones.
One. How much left?
That much. Yeah, that blue one. So. Yep. Thank you. Okay. Over there.
Into the building, guys.
We get all that sauce.
There it goes. In it goes. Okay, now look at the pot.
Hold on.
1, 2, 3. Where did you have that soon?
Just gonna have that cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the dishes and then we can chill.
Chill and watch what?
Watch YouTube.
YouTube. Bye videos. Right, so you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials and I have no socks. My feet are cold. So like and subscribe and follow me on all my socials. See you next time for another fun little video and another adventure in the kitchen. So see you maybe later today or sometime this week.